Hello everyone, I'm here to present the product that I will sell to the public on special days at Christmas and New Year with definitely promos, Okay, next. For the first product is a swim, which is very refreshing during the day. There are various choices that you can choose according to your taste. And for what price? Starting from $1 to $2 only. Very cheap, right? Alright, next. For the second product is fresh cow milk, which has a lot of benefit that can be obtained from the glass of milk for your body's health. And this milk is directly from cow's juice, which is processed without a mixture of other ingredients, so that its property will be maintained. For the price starting from $2 to $4, it's really cheap. Okay, next. And then therefore let's put product before it round out. Okay, and if you want to order, contact our admin. Okay, it's something there. Thank you and happy shopping. Goodbye.